Hi, quick reviews. It's me, Sergio. So we'll continue with our SPSS episode. Let's learn about the statistical tool Welch t-test in this episode. So the same thing, we are interested to determine which group is better in terms of math scores. Is it the male group or the female group? But this time, the sample sizes are different. There are more female respondents than male. And before we will perform this, we'll check the assumptions of independent t-test. So basically, considering the assumptions, we are going to consider the assumption number 6. There needs to be homogeneity of variances because in Welch t-test, this assumption is not met. If this is met, of course, you are going to use the student t-test or the very common independent t-test. So let's proceed. Analyze, compare means, and independent samples t-test. So we will see scores for the test variables and sex for the grouping variable. So let's switch. Let's have number 2 for group 1 and number 1 for group 2. Continue and then okay. So as you can see here with the Levin's test, it's less than 5%, meaning equal variances, okay, are not assumed, meaning the two groups are not comparable. So since we cannot use the student t-test or the independent t-test, we have to switch to the Welch t-test. So we will follow this row. So I have prepared here an APA style. So the same thing, the variables are female group and male group with the mean 8.05 and 14.42. Okay, the higher mean is from the male group. So let's check. Okay, male is 14.42 and female is 8.05. That's correct. Let's proceed with the mean difference, 6.369. Okay, in here, 6.369. That's correct. T-value, okay, 5.639. 5.639, that's correct. And then p-value for two-sided, 0.001. Okay, 0.001. So basically, if you're going to use independent t-test, you will have the same p-value. But since we have to be particular with the definition with the last assumption of independent t-test, which is not met, so we have to switch really with Welch t-test. And of course, since the p-value is less than 5%, so it is significant. And since it is significant, we have to reject the null hypothesis. So we are going to use these values for our discussion. So again, to perform Welch t-test, analyze, compare means, and independent samples t-test.